Hello student, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 6, the properties of seawater. In last video we completed some question answer figure 6.1, depth and temperature of seawater. Now let us start our next point, the geographical explanation. While most of the sun rays radiate back from the surface of the sea, some of them penetrate to certain depths in the water. As a result, the intensity of sun rays decreases with the increasing depth. While most sun rays radiate back from surface of the sea, some them penetrate. Penetrates means under the water, depths of water. As a result, the intensity of sun rays decreases with increasing depth. In this way, sun rays decreases with increasing depth. Increasing means raised. Temperature decreases up to 1000 meter depth. After 2000 meter, the temperature of seawater is uniform everywhere. Uniform means same everywhere. It is around 4 degrees Celsius everywhere. From the equatorial region to the polar areas, temperature reduces only up to 4 degrees Celsius. According to depth, therefore the water of at greater depths does not freeze. The temperature of seawater changes rapidly with depth at the equatorial areas. The difference in temperature is lesser in the polar areas. There is also difference in open seas and landlocked seas. Open seas and landlocked seas, as the salinity of the landlocked sea is more, the temperature of these landlocked sea is higher than the open seas. This is true for low latitudinal areas. Think about it. What would have happened if the temperature of seawater near the seabed would have gone below the freezing point? What will happen? Write the answer of this question. Salinity. Let's recall, why is the taste of seawater salty? Did you know, student? In last video we give the answer of why seawater is salty. Because river carry dissolved salts to the ocean. Salts in the ocean come from rock on land. So seawater is salty. What are the reasons for high salinity in the ocean? What is the use of salts in the ocean to us? What is the use of salts in the ocean to us? How can we obtain the salt from the ocean water? Write the answer this question. Geographical explanation. Salt is used in the food we eat. You know, students, salt is used in the food we eat. Salt is also used for making various chemicals and medicines. You know the uses of salts. Salt is used making various chemicals and medicines. Salt is also used to preserve things for longer periods. Some things are used, some salts used for the preserving thing, storage of some things for longer period. Salt is also used in ice factories. Why did you use salt in activity from lesson 5? We obtain salt from the salt pans. The buoyancy of the seawater increases because salinity. Buoyancy means light. This is useful for water transport. But the salinity is more than bearable limits. More. And the life in the water gets destroyed. Next, our experiment. Try this. Note the teachers. 1. Keep the water safe for drinking with respect to health. The water container is only for tasting, not for drinking. After tasting, ask the student to rinse their mouth with clean water. Here experiment, take 1.5 liter of water in big container. Here figure 6.2. See here 1.5 liter water in big container. Put 100 gram salt in it and stir. In this figure you see, student, 6.2, a container, in this 1.5 liter water and then salt, 100 gram salt, mix and stir. Now take 3 container of same size. To identify them, put 3 dots of different colors of them. Here figure 6.3, 3 container of same size. Then put the water containing salt equally in the 3 containers. Make sure the containers and half empty after filling the water. Here student, see picture 6.4. Take the water out of the 3 container. Keep one of the sun outside. Cover it with shade lid. Here student, see figure 6.4. Next 6.5. Keep the remaining 2 is the classroom. Cover them with the net lid 2. On this container, cover with net. Put half a glass of fresh water daily in one of the containers in the classroom. Then 6 point figure 6.4, 6.5, 6.6 and then figure 6.7. After 3-4 days, bring all the container together at one place. Observe the level of water in all the 3 containers. Taste the water in all the 3 containers. Experience the difference in the taste. Write about all the taste is 1 line each. You try to this practical at your home. 6.8. Here, after the 3 or 4 days, bring all the container together at one place. Observe the level of water in all the 3 container. Not same level of water in the 3 container. Answer of the following question at this experiment. In which container has the water increase or decrease? What would be reason behind the decrease or increase? You write the cause of this reason. What could be the reason behind the low and high salinity of water in the container? Write the answer with the help of this experiment.